Using Swagbucks on multiple devices can create problems when the same account, app data, or tracking settings do not stay synced correctly. By the end, you'll know how to fix common Swagbucks multiple device issues and set up your phone, tablet, or computer so your account works normally. The first step is to use the same Swagbucks account login on every device. Swapping between different email addresses can make rewards, offers, or account activity appear missing because they are connected to separate accounts. Next, check that the Swagbucks app is updated on every device where you use it. Different app versions can cause features to behave differently between your phone and tablet. If one device works and another does not, log out of Swagbucks on the problem device and sign back in. This refreshes your account connection and can fix temporary syncing issues. For app problems, clear the app cache on Android devices through your phone settings. Old stored data can interfere with how the updated app loads your account information. On iPhone, reinstalling the Swagbucks app can refresh the app files. Make sure you know your account email and password before removing the app so you can log back in. If you use Swagbucks on a computer and mobile device, check that browser settings are not blocking cookies or site permissions. Tracking issues can happen when browser privacy settings prevent pages from working correctly. Avoid creating multiple Swagbucks accounts to use on different devices. Keeping one account across your devices makes it easier to track rewards and account activity. If you are completing offers, games, or surveys, start the activity on the same device where the offer is available. Switching devices during an activity may affect how progress is recorded. If your account still shows missing activity after trying these fixes, contact Swagbucks support with your account details, device type, and the exact issue you are seeing. The main fixes are simple. Use one account, keep the app updated, refresh your login, and check device permissions. Start by logging out and back in on the device that is not working, then update the app if the problem continues. If this guide helped you fix a Swagbucks multiple device issue, subscribe for more reward app troubleshooting guides and practical fixes.